After having created our values, the second step of Conscious Gems was actually to go and see how our structures will be. So after we have created our values, we go and see how do we structure ourselves? What's our governance? Do we have a leader? Is it a circular? Is it a pyramid system? So how is it? And you can see in the picture how we end up structuring ourselves. So Conscious Gems is the project, and it stands from the base, it's the middle of the circle, and then we have 7 agreements. So the 7 agreements are everything that's going to be applied in our locations. So it goes from initiation, so spiritual initiation, both for places and for people, permaculture, global village, exchange of 4 capitals, personal practice, free flow business, and life celebration. And from each one of these capitals, of this agreement, sorry, and each one of these agreements, we practically have the same structure. So it will have one person that is actually responsible to hold the space of this agreement. So for this one, for example, let's say it's the name P, and then each of these people would have people who are able to help him or her so they can achieve the better outcome possible. So let's say it's M and A here. So here in between, one is the responsible, is the one who's holding the space, and the other 2 are actually helping them. And how do we decide who is getting inside there? According to our gifts and our strengths, and according to what the people want to do. So what the members of our team like to do, enjoy to do, they get in one of the 7 categories. So this system is forming a triangle. It's a number 3. It's a very stable structure. So everybody feels supported. Everybody has a specific task that they need to complete. And most of our members are usually holding the space for one of the structures. So are in the very first levels. So here's member number 1, member number 2, member number 3, member number 4, and member number 5. So these are different people. All the numbers of the members are different people, and each one is holding the space for one of the structures of the agreements. And then each one of them, so let's say the A, that is myself in that case, here I am as a helper, but here I am as the main person. So each one of us has one structure that they need to hold, and they are the primary holder of the structure of the space. And here I will have 2 helpers again, forming a triangle. So each one of us is a helper in one of the sections and is a main holder in one of the other sections. And like that, we are holding the space. So each one is working 100% in what they love, what they have to, or they have been working in the past. They really work in what they love. And all the structures is actually being held by all of us. So here's the team, here's our team, our team meetings that are happening every week. And this is what is really holding the whole space. This is also facilitates a lot. So in our group meetings, we don't actually need to go and discuss the details of all the 7 agreements of what is happening in the project. But in our team meetings, we actually work in the bonding of the team. So this is the most important for us. So we build trust trust is our base. It's our base, is where we start, where we stand. So the deep trust between the members of the team is creating the nucleus, and the nucleus is able to activate all the other parts, and they are holding between themselves because people are involved in more than one structure, so they are usually involved in 2 or 3. So all of it together, it's a structure that is flexible, but it's also allowing people to grow in their own field, or allowing people to take responsibility, allowing them to do something that they love and really shine and give all their best gifts there. So this is our structure. This is how our governance works in conscious gems.